Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eddie and this is the Credit Hype. And today we're going to talk about the best credit repair tools to use for your business, whether you're your own credit repair company or you're just an individual looking to fix your own credit or also start your very own credit repair business. Now, I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers that I've gotten and all the recent comments and people reaching out to me on a personal level. I'm really thankful for everyone that's been going with my content. And again, I'm really sorry for not posting anything in the past 4 weeks. I've been really busy with my credit repair company, with my marketing agency, and I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who's been subscribing and commenting on a daily basis. So let's go and get started and go over the best credit repair tools to use in 2021. Now, Credit Repair Cloud is a software and automation tool for your credit repair business, and this lets you start, run, and grow a credit repair business. And this is what we use in our company. So, if you're looking to fix your own credit and also learn how to fix others and make a profit doing that, then Credit Repair Cloud is a perfect example of how to run and operate a credit repair business because this basically is an all in one platform that you can use to send out dispute letters, send out new affiliates, get promos, and also fix people's credit all in one tool. So, again, you guys can do everything within the software. We use it, we've been using it for the past year and a half for our company. And they do have a 30-day free trial that you guys can start off with to make sure that it's something that you want to use. There's many different tools just like it. We've tried two other softwares, but Credit Per Cloud is probably, in our opinion, one of the best softwares to fix your credit. And I'll probably be making a tutorial on the software as well. But again, this is a perfect software to get started with credit repair. The second tool that we use for our business and also helps clients fix their credit and build credit all at the same time, and that's going to be Self. Self, originally called Self Lender, basically allows you to build credit while taking out a loan to pay off that same loan while you get to build credit with the three credit bureaus. Now, a lot of people get confused on how Self works, but it's actually very simple. So you just apply for the credit builder account. They pull out a loan depending on the amount that you take out. They have about 4 tiers, I believe. So you pay off your credit builder account in a specific time period. Then on each monthly payment that you make, it will report to the credit bureaus and adds a payment history, and you get to pay back the loan because they put it into a certification of deposit or a CD similar to what they do in banks. So once you pay off the entire loan, not only does your client or yourself get better credit because of the payment history and credit history, but you get to unlock the savings out of that CD once you pay off the entire amount. Obviously, there is fees and interest that was paid out, but that's obviously how Self makes money on their end. But you basically get a three benefits to using Self for yourself or your clients. Now, we've had about, I'd say maybe 10 to 12 of our clients sign up for Self, and each one of them have gone results with Self Lender as long as they make the payments on time. That's really important, and I can't stress that enough. They need to make sure that they set up auto pay and not do it on a manual draft. So make sure that they're on auto pay, and it's definitely worth it after your once you can unlock those savings. So again, Self is our second credit per tool that we use for our business. Now, the third tool on the list is going to be Rent Reporters. Now, Rent Reporters is an amazing product because it allows you to report the rent that you pay per month on your apartment or lease. So, this is a great way to establish credit. Now, it does report to Equifax and TransUnion, but it does not report to Experian, which is not that big of a deal because those two are very important to have. Now, again, depending on your client's credit report and where they are in the credit repair process or even yourself, this can benefit you in many ways because you can start seeing an increase within less than 2 weeks of starting the rent reporters. Now, I do believe their pricing module is they do have a good fee. So the sign up fee is about $94 and then $9 a month on our monthly reporting rent. And you can sign up for their affiliate program and earn an extra income for your credit per business, or even provide it to friends and family that need to improve on their credit score. And you make, I think, about $15 per sign up. So that'd be a great way to not only profit on rent reporters, but also gain the credit report history for your credit profile. So that's a third tool that we talk about and what we use for our company. Next on the list is Tradeline Supply Company. Now, I only recommend this if your clients have a pretty decent budget, because when you try to purchase a trade line through this reporting agency, it is a little expensive. They can go up to $400 to $1,000, but the benefits are insane because you can basically get someone's 750 credit score and report it as your own. And it is it's just called credit piggybacking. It is a credit building strategy that you can leverage other people's credit. Now, if your client or yourself have a partner or a someone in your family that does have good credit, then you can ask to be on their trade line, and this allows you to basically receive their status for that credit file. So it's completely free to do if you have someone or know someone that has good credit. But if you don't, then you can provide this to your clients or use it for yourself and purchase a positive trade line. So again, this is just make sure that you do your research, see what the prices are for the trade lines, and also you can speak to their customer service. There looks like they're open Monday through Sunday, and this is a perfect way to establish good credit if you are rebuilding. So this is a great one, Trade Line Supply Company. Talk about credit monitoring and different credit monitoring services. So this is really important to have in your business and also for yourself. But credit monitoring allows you to basically go ahead and see the reports for all three credit bureaus on a monthly basis without having to have a hard inquiry on your report. Now, one that I like is Smart Credit for two main reasons. It's very affordable for your clients. Second, you can white label their service and put it as your under your own company brand for, I believe, a one-time fee of $4.95. So this is really good way to establish credibility when you're speaking to your clients, because you can add the payment plan within the credit per service fee, and your client doesn't have to pay two separate fees. So this is what I recommend for you to start, and you guys can go ahead and get into Smart Credit. There's also Identity IQ, there's My FICO, and there's also free credit pair monitoring services that you can check out, like freeannualcreditreport.com. But if you want to start paying for a good service, Smart Credit is definitely a great one to start out with. I wanted to make this one a quick one because honestly, you guys can also do the research. I wanted just to make sure I can provide you with the credit pair tools and software that I use for my company. Now, again, I recommend that you guys go with Credit Pair Cloud for your CRM system and automation for sending out your dispute letters, fixing your own credit, and they do have a 30-day free trial. So you can start getting your first clients completely for free, and you can fix your credit first with this company. So they give you the onboarding process, teach you exactly what to do to start sending out dispute letters, and everything is provided inside the software. So you don't need to pay for any extra services for letters, for legal documents. Everything is provided in this all-in-one easy system. So you guys can go ahead and get a 30-day free trial in the link below, or take the Credit Hero Challenge and get certified to start a credit per company. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like for me. I'm happy to talk to anybody, ask me any questions, and I'll see you on the next one.